Are you planning to travel to Singapore? Do you plan to go to a lot of great places, but don't know how to manage the time while enjoying every moment at the same time? Then let me tell you a secret. Upon arrival, you can immediately visit the famous attractions inside the airport itself. The next day, you can go to 3 different places too. You can go to the bird paradise in the morning, Singapore Zoo in the afternoon, and the night safari in the evening. Are you in doubt if it would be worth it, since all the said places are about animals? Don't worry. They may sound the same, but believe me,